Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is question 17c on the NECO physics past question, part 2. So let's get started. Question 17c says a current of 2 amp is passed through a platinum voltmeter for 50 minutes. Calculate the figure 1 mass of the platinum deposited on the cathode, and figure 2 volume of the metal deposited, given that the electrochemical equivalent of the platinum is this, and the density of platinum is 21.5 gram per centimeter cube. So let's solve this. So this question, you should know where it comes from. Solution. This is under Faraday's law of electrolysis. So the first law stated that the mass of substance deposited or liberated on an electrode is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed through it. So that is where we have our famous formula, M is equal to ZIT. So this is the formula we are going to use. So from the question, I is given to be 2 amp, and the time T is given to be 50 minutes. So we should convert this 50 minutes to second. That would be 50 multiplied by 60, right? Which is going to be, that would be 3,000 seconds. So, and again, the Z, which is the electrochemical equivalent, is given to be 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 gram per coulomb squared, right? So, and the density rho is given to be 21.5 gram per centimeter cube. So, to calculate the mass of platinum deposited, M, we're going to use this formula. M is equal to ZIT. That will be equal to Z is 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by I, which is 2, multiplied by time, which is 3,000. So just multiply direct. When you do that, you have 300 gram. So that's the mass of substance deposited on it, on the cathode. So the next thing is to calculate the volume. Second question, to calculate the volume of the metal deposited. So you know that there's a relationship between volume, density, and mass. So density is equal to mass per unit volume. Therefore, volume will be equal to mass all over density. So we have gotten our mass to be 300 divided by density, which is 21.5. That will give us 13.95 centimeter. 13.95 centimeter. I hope this is taken and well understood. Thank you for watching. We continue from here in our next class. Please do ensure you share for others to benefit and to give us some sort of visibility. God bless you.